In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install Jira from the Microsoft Store on your computer. We'll go through this process slowly and clearly so you can follow along, even if you're not very familiar with installing apps on your PC. By the end of this video, you'll have Jira installed and ready to open. First, make sure your computer is turned on and you're on the desktop or home screen. Look for the Microsoft Store icon on your taskbar or in your Start menu. It usually looks like a shopping bag with the Windows logo on it. If you don't see it right away, click the Start button and start typing Microsoft Store until it shows up, then click to open it. Once the Microsoft Store is open, go to the search bar, usually located at the top of the window. Click into the search bar and type the word Jira. Take a moment to double check your spelling so that the correct app appears in the results. After typing it in, press enter on your keyboard or click the search icon. You should now see a list of search results. Look for the Jira app in the list. When you find it, click on it to open the app's page in the store. On this page, you'll see details about the app, such as a description, screenshots, and reviews. It's always a good idea to quickly scan this page to make sure it's the right application you want to install. On the Jira page, you'll see an install button. Click on that button to start downloading and installing the app. If this is your first time installing something from the Microsoft Store, you may be asked to sign in with your Microsoft account. Just follow whatever appears on screen and enter the required information if prompted. While the app is downloading, you'll see a progress bar indicating how much has been completed. This might take a few moments depending on your internet speed. Once the download and installation are finished, the install button will change to something like Open or Launch. At this point, simply click Open to start Jira. You can also find it later by searching for Jira in your Start menu. That's all you need to do. Open the Microsoft Store, search for Jira, click to install it, and then follow the on-screen prompts until it's ready.